Hello and welcome back. Our task today is to see how we can integrate this problem. That is the integral of 5x to the power 11 minus 3 into x plus 1 all squared dx. So how do we integrate this problem? First of all, this is what we are going to do. Solution. Solution. So let's push this thing inside by saying this is the integral of 5x to the power 11 dx. Let's share that this thing. Let's distribute it. Minus the integral of 3x plus 1 all squared, the what? The x. This is the first step. First of all, share the integral sign and share the dx sign. So what next? Let's take out the constant. If we take out the constant, we have that this is 5 into the integral of x to the power 11 dx minus 3 into the integral of x plus 1 all squared dx. So the next step now is to integrate. So if we integrate this, we find out that this is 5 multiplied by x. If we integrate this, we have this 11 plus 1 all over 11 plus 1 minus 3 multiply. If we integrate this, this becomes x plus 1, 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus c plus c. All right, so what next from here? What are we going to do? We know that this is 5. 11 plus 1 here gives us 12 all over 11 plus 1, which is 12, minus 3 into x plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 here is 3, 2 plus 1 here is 3 plus c. All right, so from here, clearly, what can we see? From here, clearly, what can we see? We know that this one here can cancel this one. And we have our final answer to be 5x to the power 12 all over 12 minus x plus 1 all to the power 3 plus c. And this is the answer to this nice integral. Do well to follow this channel, like and comment. And remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. See you in the next video.